Think cooking pasta is easy? Yes, but cooking it right makes all the difference. Let's unlock the secrets to perfect pasta step by step. Start by choosing the right pasta. Each shape holds sauce differently. Spaghetti is perfect for thinner sauces, while penne or rigatoni pair well with chunky ones. Always use a large pot with plenty of water, about 4 to 6 quarts per pound of pasta. This helps prevent sticking and ensures even cooking. Salt the water generously, like the sea. This is your only chance to flavor the pasta itself. Most people forget this step or undersalt. It's crucial for taste. Give it a good stir after adding pasta. Keep an eye on it and stir occasionally to avoid clumping. Cook until al dente, firm to the bite. Check the time on the package, but taste a minute before it's done. Never rinse your pasta. That starch helps sauce stick and makes everything creamier and more flavorful. Rinsing is a common mistake in non-Italian households. Before draining, save a cup of pasta water. This liquid gold helps bind the sauce and pasta beautifully. Toss the hot pasta directly into your sauce and cook together for 1-2 minutes. This blends flavors and creates that silky texture. Finish with a touch of olive oil, fresh basil, or a sprinkle of cheese. And that's it. Perfect pasta every time. Now you're cooking like a pro. Oil in the water? No. This prevents sauce from sticking. Fresh versus dried pasta. Dried is great for every day. Fresh for delicate sauces or stuffed pastas. Reheating tip. Splash some pasta water or broth to revive leftover pasta.